Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to change your primary email address or set up an alternate address in Gmail. First, open Gmail, click your profile icon in the top right corner and select Manage your Google account. On the left-hand menu, click on Personal Info. Scroll down to the Contact Info section and click on Email. If your account type supports it, you will see an arrow next to your Google account email. Click it to enter your new desired username and confirm the change. If you can't edit it directly, click on Alternate Emails instead. Here, you can add a secondary address. Once verified, any emails sent to your old or secondary address will seamlessly land in your main inbox. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.